Government's estates maintenance backlog worth at least £49 billion.
Subscribe and hit the bell for all the latest from our recent videos.
The public spending watchdog has raised concerns over the maintenance backlog of the government's estate. The backlog is estimated to be at least £49 billion, affecting hospitals, schools, job centres, courts, prisons, museums, research facilities, offices and warehouses. £49 billion equates to approximately 4% of the government's total expenditure in 2023/24, or around £710 for each person living in the UK. However, incomplete and outdated data on property conditions suggests that the true cost of remediation could be substantially higher. Poor building conditions have led to approximately 5,400 clinical service incidents annually in the NHS due to property and infrastructure failures. The head of the National Audit Office said allowing large maintenance backlogs to build up at the buildings used to deliver essential public services is a false economy. Government needs better data on the condition of its operational assets and should use it to plan efficient maintenance programs to deliver better services and value for money. For more on this story, read the full article in our news category.
Read more at TWinFM.com.